So here's the concern area. We basically have some grease leaking from here and here. And then down at that end, the cap is uncovered. You can see they left this off of here at some point. We'll take that off, clean it, put it back up. So here's the problem.
Ruben, we can't really blame him because he didn't do it.
He didn't do it? Okay. So here's what it kind of ended up being. This picture is blurry, but you can see it's actually missing a bolt on that band. So I took the bands off and they were super packed full of grease and stuff that was keeping them from clamping down fully. After I got all that cleaned out and the other part cleaned, I was able to clamp it back together. I did spill a bunch of grease on myself, which was kind of a bummer. There's the clamps reinstalled with all the fasteners in place. And this is a double wall type vent, so this piece of ductwork was supposed to be installed over top of the other. Alright, so there it is with the fittings cleaned and the fasteners put back in. So that should hopefully take care of the leaking. Now we go to the cap side. Alright, got that reinstalled and marked so that the hood guys get confused about it. They'll know that they do indeed have to put it back on when they're done. But yeah, I think that takes care of the issues they were concerned about, so we should be good.